Let me guess. You sit down to study. Phone away, notebook open, you're ready. 5 minutes later, you're scrolling, daydreaming, or staring at the wall like your brain just disappeared. And then you think, what's wrong with me? Why can't I focus like everyone else? Listen to me carefully. You are not lazy. You are not broken. And today, I'll show you exactly why focus feels impossible and a 3-minute trick that fixes it almost instantly. Stay with me. Here's the truth no one tells students. Focus is not a personality trait. It's a state, and most of us are trying to focus in the worst mental conditions possible. Think about your day. You wake up tired, rush to class, consume content all day, stress about grades, compare yourself to others. By the time you sit down to work, your brain is already exhausted. Your mind isn't unfocused, it's overloaded. Science backs this up. Your brain has something called attention residue. Every task you switch from, Instagram to class to YouTube to homework, leaves mental clutter behind. So when you try to focus, your brain is still stuck in 5 other places. That's why you feel restless. That's why studying feels painful. And that's why forcing motivation never works. I've been there. Late nights, books open, zero progress. Feeling guilty for wasting time while still being too tired to actually do anything. It's not because you don't care. It's because no one taught you how to enter focus. Now listen closely. This is the 3-minute trick. Not a routine, not discipline, not motivation. A reset. Step 1. Stop what you're doing. 30 seconds. Before studying, stop. Don't open the book yet. Don't start the task. Sit still. Put your phone face down. Tell your brain, pause. This matters more than you think. Step 2. Brain dump. 1 minute. Grab a paper. Write everything distracting you. Homework, stress, that message, that fear, that random thought. No organizing, no fixing. Just dump it. Your brain relaxes when it knows it doesn't have to hold everything. Step 3. Single target focus. 1 minute. Now choose one task, not 5. Not study everything. One tiny action. Examples: read 2 pages, solve 1 problem, write 1 paragraph. Your brain hates big goals, but it loves starting. That's the secret. This trick works because it does 3 powerful things. It clears mental noise, it lowers pressure, and it creates a clear starting line. Focus isn't about willpower, it's about removing friction. Once you start, momentum kicks in. And suddenly, 5 minutes becomes 25. Morning. Before class or study, do the 3-minute reset. Your day starts calmer. Afternoon. When energy drops, don't push harder. Reset again. You're not weak, you're human. Night. Before studying or planning, reset your mind. Sleep comes easier. Tomorrow feels lighter. This one habit alone saved me hours of burnout. If no one has told you this yet, you're not behind in life. You're just tired, and tired brains need kindness, not punishment. So remember this, you don't need more motivation. You don't need to fix yourself. You just need 3 minutes to reset your mind. Try it today, right after this video. And if this helped you even a little, like the video, subscribe for more student-friendly focus tips, and share this with someone who's struggling. We're leveling up together, one small reset at a time.